Howdy artists, I just finished this pendant on my maker channel and I want to be able to add a watermark really quickly using actions inside of Photoshop. So I'm going to explain how to do a single image and I'm going to explain how to do multiple images. And the way that you do that is you use actions inside of Photoshop, which you may have already done. I'm going to create an action set, which is a folder of actions, because sometimes you want a light watermark and sometimes you want a dark watermark. So I'm going to create the new action and I'm starting to record that action now. So anything that you want to do over and over again, put it inside of this action. Don't worry about opening and closing the files. I'm going to embed my logo, which is kept local, and then I'm going to put it down in the below, and then I'm going to save the JPEG over itself. And then if you want to change the aspect ratio or crop it, now's the time to do it. I'm making the image a little bit smaller just for my online store for efficiency. And then now I stop the action and now I can play it over and over again on a single image, adding that watermark, or I can go under File, Automate, and I can automate an entire folder. I choose which action that I want to run. I want to choose which folder that I want to pull from, and then the export folder, saving to a folder. And now here's my export folder. I hope you have an awesome day.